What do you think? Imagine waking up every morning and you get $10 on your account. Let's take that example. Every morning you get $10 on your account. And these $10, they come from projects that you did some time back or you're still doing. Is it fine? Let's say if you're getting $10 on a daily basis, that means a week, that is the minimum, by the way. We say average $10. It means a week, in 7 days, you'll be having $70. So $70, if you put $70 into 4 months, how much is that? Because 2 weeks, it will be 140, and 4 weeks, it will be 280. And now $280, convert it to your currency. How much is it? If you're talking about 208, it is around okay, I can call it approximately almost 1 million when we're talking about in Ugandan shillings. Almost. Then in your currency, I don't know, just convert 280. Let's rough it and say $300. That is great amount of money. Great amount of money. And you're getting that money in one platform, not in 2 platforms or 3 platforms. By the way, it's not salary. We've not yet touched salary. So meaning if you're getting 800 Ugandan shillings, which is around $300, of which this, seriously, this is almost a million in Ugandan shillings. Don't you think you can care for those important things that you have in your life? Yes, you can. But do you think getting $10 is just something free? No. We always say this is free money because it is passive money. This is free because you're not investing in amount of money. Now, you guys, let me gist you a very good gist on this day, this morning. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine on the Market Show. Please, if you're holding your phone and you have been with it for 1 year, you've never made passive, you never made some income out of it, genuine income, please, this small video is right for you. We're not going to make a very long video, but I'm here to assure you that if you have a smartphone, you can make any amount of money that you want. What you need to do is to make sure you are intentional, you have a why. When you have a why, you find yourself doing things right away, scheduled way. But if you don't have why, there's nothing that will push you. So if your why is pronounced, it means it is going to be heavy. And almost my why is always don't lack money. It beats my mind when you find you have a group of 7 friends, best friends, all of them have good smartphones. But if anything happens to any of them, you cannot manage to raise 1 million with 7 people. If we're talking about 1 million in 7 people, it means almost everybody would be raising 150,000 Ugandan shillings. If you convert 155 in Ugandan shillings, it's little money. Now, 7 friends, even 10 friends, you can't raise that 1 million. This is a shame to our generation. This is a shame to the friends and even to the people that are holding those smartphones. Before we run to even ask for a hand outside, as friends itself, we should be in position to raise at least 3/4 of that money. And when we completely fail to raise full amount, it's when we can ask for a hand out. This one I know that only people who are very attentive and far-minded will understand. What do I mean? You should not hold a smartphone and fail to get $10 per day. Okay, let's call it $3 even per day. $3 should be the minimum. And you should not have a group of friends, and that bunch group of friends cannot sit up and solve an issue, a simple problem which needs small amount of money. This comes to a conclusion that don't hold a smartphone and fail to get passive income. With a smartphone, you are sure of some amount of money monthly basis. Mine, I already say what I'm going to earn for this month. What about you? Please, let's stand up together and fight this lack and ignorance of not knowing how to use our smartphone. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye-bye.